Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Analogy's YouTube channel. In today's video, I will take you through one of my projects where I will show you how to integrate Zoho Invoice and Outlook. Talking about the project overview, the Cloud Analogy team assisted its client by integrating Zoho Invoice with Outlook. The project requirement were as follows. The client wanted us to integrate Zoho Invoice with Outlook. Also, whenever we create an invoice in Zoho Invoice, it should give a reminder in desired email address via Outlook. Now let me show the steps that we followed to integrate Zoho Invoice with Outlook. Firstly, we will log into Outlook and Zoho Invoice. Further, we will integrate Zoho Invoice with Outlook. Moving on to the demonstration part, I will create a new invoice in Zoho Invoice. As you can see, I have opened a new invoice in Invoices. Let's fill out the invoice. In customer name, as you can see, there is no customer name added, so we will add a new customer by clicking on New Customer. In primary name, I am adding the name Rishabh Kapoor. In display name, I am selecting Rishabh Kapoor from the drop-down menu. You don't need to modify any other data. Click on the Save button below. As soon as we saw the new customer, as you can see here, the customer name is added as Rishabh Kapoor. The invoice number is INV 00001. Invoice data is selected as 3rd July 2022. Now when we scroll down, we need to add the item detail. So I'm adding the item details in the field as a Multon milk. Let us suppose that the quantity is 10. Next item, I'm adding a bourbon biscuit. In its quantity, I'm adding 11. Next item, I'm adding an O'Donnell spray. In this quantity, I'm adding 5. Lastly, I'm adding Oreo biscuits and their quantity I'm adding 20. So when we scroll down, you can see the subtotal coming as 2640 rupees. Now let's add the discount of 200 rupees from our side. So now the total is 2440 rupees. Further, we will scroll down and click on the Save and Send button to save the details and send the mail. As soon as we click the Save and Send button, a new page will open as email to Rishabh Kapoor. Now we will add the recipient's mail. I'm adding the mail in CC as Dipesh Joshi127@gmail.com. Further, we will scroll down and click on the Send button. It will open a pop-up. Just click on the Save and Select button. As you can see, the contact person information has been saved. Now we will click on the Send button. As soon as we click on Send button, our invoice will be sent to the recipients as you can see here. So now I will go to my Outlook mail ID. Here in the sent items, you can see that mail has been fired to the recipients. Now when we go to the recipient's respective Gmail ID and refresh it, we will receive mail. As you can see, we have received the mail mentioning all the details. Hi Rishabh, here are the details of the invoice, including the invoice number along with the customer name, invoice date, subtotal, discount and total amount after discount. So this is how the integration of Zoho Invoice and Outlook works. That's all for today's session. Are you in need of a Zoho integration service for your business? Need help understanding where to start? Don't worry, Cloud Analogy has got you covered. Our experts specialize in services including Zoho Invoice, Zoho Form, Zoho Mail, Zoho Creators, Zoho Analytics and more. Connect with us if you want to perform Zoho integration and grow your business effectively. Thank you for watching.